Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check if a message was seen or not. Right, so as you can see, I'm in Instagram here, and at the top right hand side I have a message there. Right, so if I click on that, it will take me into my messages. Now as you can see right now, the last message in the list, it is showing seen. So if I open that message, you can see that this message is showing as it was read. Right, so if you look slowly below the hey bro, you can see that it is showing seen. Right, and that's because I have the setting turned on. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to identify if this feature is on or off. Right, so you want to click on your profile picture on the lower right hand side, then you want to click the three lines on the uppermost right hand side. It's called a burger menu, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says messages and story replies. Within the list, guys, you can see the last option that says show read receipt. So if you click on that, it will show that I have this turned on. Now if this is on, then you're able to see within the messages that it is seen or it is not showing that. So if I turn this off, it will be off, and that simply means that you will not be able to see this feature shown within the messages. So you want to turn that on if you want to see if the message was read or not. Keep in mind, this is going both ways. So if you're speaking to a person and this person don't have this feature turned on, then you will not be able to see it within this feature as well. And as you can see, for example, in this account, I don't have it on, so it is not showing here. And I'm going to show you as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go back here, and I'm going to double tap to go to my next profile here. And within this profile, guys, I'm going to click the three dots again, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to messages and store replies, and I'm going to go to the receipts. And as you can see, within this profile, I don't have it on. So that's it, guys. It goes both ways. As I said, if you're reading messages within an account and you're not able to see it, you can check your own settings as well. It could be that the next person on the other end who's sending a message to you don't have this feature turned on. So it goes both ways, but that's how you can basically enable it so that you can see it, and that's how you can tell if the other person have it on as well. Very easy and very simple. Guys, if you find this useful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It really helps to grow this community, and I really appreciate that. And also give this video a like if you find this useful. Thank you very much, and see you next time.